Having these bowl lights mounted to my ceiling for years in my old house has been driving me crazy, so I finally made the decision to upgrade to new technology, LEDs, baby. So I picked these flush mount ceiling lights up from Amazon, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it, what I like and what I don't like. So it is fairly cheap, but then again, it's just LED lights. There's not much to write home about here. It comes with all the hardware that you need to install this, and it's fairly simple to install. Obviously, if you're not knowing what you're doing with electricity, please hire a professional. Now the metal is fairly thin, so you gotta be careful not to bend it when you're installing this, but obviously once it's up on the ceiling, you don't have to worry about people running into it or bending it because it's so high up. Now the clear parts where the light's going to come out of, it's kind of, maybe it's not clear, it's more of like a diffuser, is not glass like the old-fashioned one. This is 100% plastic, just to let you know. So it is all plastic and just cheap thin metal. Now once you have this open up so you can install it, you can see all the LEDs. They're just laid out on the bottom, and then, I don't know, there's probably about 50 of them or so. That's all. There's no light bulbs. There's nothing else to it. It's just little tiny LEDs. You have the little transformer in the middle, and that's it. Now you do want to screw this to your ceiling. Very simple. Once you get the wires, you got the positive wire, the black wire, and then your neutral wire, the white wire. Like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, please hire a professional. It's very simple to install. I did it about 10 minutes or so, and I think it looks great. But like I said, this is fairly cheap for what it is. What I love about this is that it's LEDs, so I don't have to change the bulbs anymore, and it should last for a very long time. And it's also dimmable, so I do have a dimmable switch here, so I can dim the light as need be or keep it on full power. And I love that it's 4000 Kelvin, which is not quite daylight, but still very, very cool white. Also, I love that it's only using about 15 watts or so, but it puts out about 150 watt equivalent, like if there's a 150 watt light bulb there, but it's not using all that power. Overall, I do love this. Just understand it's fairly cheap, but it is what it is, and it does get the job done, and I absolutely love this. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.